Hey, what's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden for day 2 of the straw bale conditioning process. Now, today is really simple. All we're going to do is come back and we're going to add water to each bale, approximately 1 gallon or 2 liters of water to each bale. And that's literally all we have to do today. So I went ahead and took the temperature of one of my bales, and it's already at 118 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 48 degrees Celsius. For being day 2, that's outstanding. We've already got some incredible microbial activity going on in these bales. So the conditioning process is well underway. Now, since all we have to do is water the garden, let's get to it. All right, guys, so that was an easy 10 minutes worth of work, especially on a beautiful spring day like today. One thing to keep in mind, if you take the temperature of your bales, do it before you water your bales, because when that water comes out of the tap, it's going to be cold. And it's going to cool those bales down drastically. So take your measurements before you water. Now I see a lot of straw bale gardeners, especially first-time straw bale gardeners, who fret over the temperature of their bales. You know, they're afraid that if it doesn't warm up, that something's not working. Rest assured, I've had bales that never warmed up at all, much more than, say, 80 degrees or so, compared to other bales that can warm up to over 140 degrees. But during the growing season, there's no difference. It still works out just fine. So if your bales don't warm up, or they don't warm up that much, don't worry about it. The action is still happening inside those bales. It's being broken down, and it's going to work great for you, I promise. You know what? When I first walked out here today, it hit me. I caught a whiff of the garden, and it's just that sweet compost smell with just a slight hint of ammonia. And what you're smelling is the decomposition of the straw, and the ammonia smell is actually some of that nitrogen evaporating into the atmosphere, and you can actually smell that. Now, that smell will go away, so you'll notice it fairly drastically for about the first 14 to 21 days. After that, the smell subsides completely, and it's really not overpowering. It's not going to make your neighbors angry, and it doesn't smell terribly bad. It's just that sweet composty smell. But to me, that smells like success. Success. Okay, so just to wrap up, day 2 of the straw bale conditioning process, we just added 1 gallon or 2 liters of water to each bale, and that's it. All right, make sure you stick around for day 3 of the straw bale conditioning process coming up tomorrow, and make sure you follow along with me. All right, guys, we'll see you.